Aston for na minim the hateta minim pate born in fin kama wa no pia pata ko sheba bi no chese basa ama league ne jebe chairman dey City is back men kana sa chance over the weekend mo bogumu bebre City bako goes bebre nina no obediska betway no kwede sia konkon na yere nsam no ade bre wo Kegyiwa na gasane Asiedu Boadi be sha center pass to the field the senior national soccer team the Black Stars of Ghana what on from akakra me confirm me on page 1 so say nay the Ghana Football Association wo mo kire mo say ye hye ne man foforo enti resetting na start na the new Black Stars Management Committee no tie eno nie the new Black Stars Management Committee Dr. Randy Abbey and wo chairman of the new Black Stars Management Committee Stephen Apia assistant and now vice committee so Sansona Mr. Samuel Abuabre chairman of the Greater Accra Regional Football Association executive council member one also member Sansona Moses Amapaka president of Mediama Sporting Club and I so no one more makaka Dr. Richard Senchi one also a president of Samates one also county nipa numwe ni say mo behwe na Black Stars Management Committee no matimi ahwe na bibia tima koyi eti yasasa bibia Black Stars Management Committee Moses Amako so pen but the women experience na boy president of Mediama Stephen Apia so former captain of the Black Stars the sene sa changes ibesi akọ ibisi mo twen say backroom staff of the team nankasa na bekọ wie sense no ne ye twen anya management committee be Trump why be to yampia but this week changes beba nyawe say coach Otoado na etena ana ne backroom staff na etena emre krabia na ebeche ya kan say yemwura mu ne yakọ Sunday special the Ghanaian Premier League sane ye wrap up the first round asante kotoko gina na so ebo vision 4 kaba kwa vision ntumi ante sama testing out for game no ye 0-0 and then Swatman so ebo Carola by goal to Neil Baseke and Adriana Day 1-1 na Accra Lions na FIMA goal stars double na come san 1 ntumi ante become Chelsea ebo Metiama 2-1 out of Lions so na league leaders tete was ama nations the ball na kaba kwa ntumi ante table na very very interesting young apostles ne be chimbo 0-0 na Legon Cities about Dreams FC by 3-0 it's no ne de ekoko wie ya de ebro ne ano pa ya Bakar Watara after that draw I want a game of copy more summer test on Insabdi.
Oh, for the history we repeat but we want to win today but unfortunately we can't score. We didn't create more chances. We create 1 or 2, but unfortunately we didn't play well to score. But no problem. We take the point. For every player, sometimes things like that can happen. But it's not bad player. Today the team didn't go well for him. That's the only one.
All right. And only the Abubakar Watara head coach. Adama so folk where to dwa aye say be say na say ya draw yes say bakakosha but after say kotoko bogu mu baba yara no Prosper the Teogumet coach.
Their desires levels have gone up. Their attitude towards training, everything have actually gone up. So I think that's one of the main reasons why we are seeing what.
How would you describe Kwame Poku and of course Justice Blay?
These are very important players, key players. Justice gives us a lot of balance in midfield. He comes in with a lot of experience, a lot of strength, a lot of intelligence. His understanding of the game is exceptional. He's able to give us a lot of balance with and without the ball in the middle of the park. And then when you come to Kwampuku, his positioning and repositioning in front of goal, his composure in front of goal, it's fantastic. If you look at the goal he scored, the cross pass, he just tilted the leg in, the foot in there, and it was a goal. And that's a top marksman's goal. So to me, these are very important players in the team, and I'm happy they are supporting the process to let us get the results.
And someone, Coach Prosper Netegum, head coach Makoroko, what are you two draw? Kwame Poku Abaso Papa Zanze. Kwame Poku is back. Kwame Poku bought 2 goals in our game on Mutimi winning over Vision FC. Now to say, Papa Nanajamai and our head coach and my Vision. Say, Ogmakasa na to me a ball baby say. Oh, na Jemai. Na Tanya na Ribro for your cancer. Oh, is it a quail?
They were pressing, they were rather going back, trying to organize and try to disallow Kotoko from getting through. But Kotoko was bringing in crosses. They are taller, they are better in terms of the aerial duels, and they did that, and they did it really, really well. They scored, I think, 2 headers, and then they scored also from a cross, back ground cross near post, and that was really, really good. I really applaud them for whatever they did. If you fail to press, this is exactly what happens. If you give teams too much respect.
Well, the Najama and Ori Brofono, Matanko, Shani Eshano, oh, Nana. After Sumami said, after the first round, Utimu say yes. Ebian Womalas, a bit so trick when in Bicho Triformable. Home wins this weekend, 4 away wins, 1 draws, so net draws, so 9. Home goals, 11, away goals, 6. In the total goals, Okaboom, there are 17 goals over the weekend in the Ghanaian Premier League. Now, table is saying that Biani Gold Stars only did 33 points, Nations Tosumi, 32 at Tarasopa. Asante Kotoko Tosumi and San 31, and 9 Heart of Lions were drop you to say yes, and defeat Bakono. Ama na so ehye otoso 9 with 30 points, and as of October num or 29 became toso nsia or 27 medium toso so 26 only stars toso 22 Samatas toso crow 22 sanso na become Chelsea toso do or 22 points vision aduba ko 19 points, and so na 12 years Waterman with 18 points, young apostles toso do biensa 18 points, 14th Adriana Stars so 18 points, Dreams FC 15th with 16 points, Kerala toso Dunsia 14 points, Legon City also do and so 14 Akala also do what 13 points. Way any senior Ghanaian Premier League table no city and then want some and so eba. And then I mentioned I'm found for Division 1 Kakres over the weekend in more thing. Zone 1A Northern City Ebo Victory Club Warriors are coming and someone to me and say Wale Calic Stars at the firma yape be born coming and say what team you tamale City for any sorry Nante SC. Sorry Nante. Sorry Nante. Hey, that team waiting. So I'm going Africa Pana bro free bar ready pa. Jeffan say Lally Najabone Lally gets the ball. Sends in a long one and a goalkeeper of Wasor Nante. Was the goalkeeper of Wasor Nante by Wasor Nante and nodding. One power at the FIMA Real Tamale United upon a Kabakwa. 1 to me and 10 in Zone 1B. Chiman 11 Wonders. The FIBA BB backward to me and Mighty Royals and KSC Soccer Academy, Kak Soccer Academy was 0-0. Before at the Fiebo Doma, Cap Miensa, Doma United Timo Bako, Techiman Liberty Youth, winning 2-1 over Techiman Heroes. Now the PMO Zone 2 as they came at the Faking first about 2-0, but why Heroes Ebon Zemako talk by 2-0 Feature Stars. And so any Park Academy about 3-3 Amina. Sharks Ebo second 11 wise by goal to 0. Mysterious Dwarfs winning 2-0 over Soccer Intellectuals. Seshi All Stars Ebo near Rubiasti 2-0 and a Sky Ebo second D Rospak by a goal to 0. And it's Red Row Blacks now in Zone 3. Oh, Kobe Kume. True Democracy Bokwa United by 2-1. Also be true on Facebook say this a Masha Black in your Luzu Yentia. Atom the visa and Talas born come you know to me and say Rain Masters to Fibo Akachi 4 come you know Akachi All Stars sent to me and say Sempefi winning 1-0 over Golden Kick and King's Palace about FC Nania by 2-1. Home Stars and Great Olympics 0-0. True Democracy Bokwa 2-1 American catch now. All right. United Kutuku by 4-1. Because there's the results they communicate me winning. Now God about positivity and Nessa game will be see Abaso 3 p.m. or Akutex Park. Now God any positivity. Yeah, bad game. That game will be a day pa. I'm saying, ain't sorry, so now, yeah, sorry, so shall so mami. Serena Madrid, Bogu, Bassa, train, Atletico Madrid is also Metrifani, Bolegana, Sankro for bet. Atletico, money now. Let's come and money now. Till the course, no. So the Manchester United, Oman match on West, West start to a season. United to film Brighton be born a coming and someone to move. Can you imagine? Seriously, the course City Bogu Munsia, Generally Sunny and Sun City. I thought now when you're serious, Everton will be a henny. Everton will be a henny to Tom Everton ball coming and somebody to you. Can you imagine? Oh, Dabby. Italy, I had the Italy so why the pop table no I Barry table no I say Barry na big game no be a me Atlanta there no na Atlanta there send Koko we and say Atlanta prayer. Yeah. Brody Anyamankin. Napoli Bonacami and Samane Timum. Juve, and so we need 2-0 over AC Milan. I must say, table no on top of the table, Napoli 50 points. Second, Inter Milan 47. Third, Atalanta 43. And the last, you Tosso 9, 39. Juve Tosunum 37. But we baby say if your table is at say after say Arsenal, drop a point against Aston Villa. Arsenal there. Oh, Arsenal back be me. Oh, Debbie. On top of the table, Liverpool or 50 points. Arsenal Tossum you know 44. Northern Forest Tossum Yensa and so 44 sa and 9 Man City. The Okumunchi still or top for him. Newcastle so dear boy. Oh, well, my friend is Tosunum our table no so we need the Ecoso our England. Sorry, so Namo Real Madrid winning and Tinama Spain so why they want see Spain I had see Emerson Spain City na Yanko Spain Real Madrid Ajaboso Lumba board on your Wajiaboso 46 points na Real Madrid Atletico Adrope or 44 Tosum third Barcelona with 39 points. We need the Ecoso Spain I don't say but then you may you have to see the sports page you bro you become Ghanaian Premier League on some of coaches nibi kakra coaches nibi hokeka yeah kakra Betway for the love of the game Betway nya twenk one dey be chacha na ope Betway F-Pack be established upon say for the can DBS na just limited roof in pa fi ho MTN everywhere go my MTN apro omonde eken ho ma ya the sports page one broadcast so the nanka sabaka Kegyiwa ne ho Eric Asiedu Boadi ko so ati adwa so nsam